What if I told you I spent the last 30 days testing AI money-making methods? Not theory, not hype, real tools, real work, real results. Some methods surprised me, some completely failed, and one actually shocked me with how much it made. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what worked, what didn't, and how you can copy the winning strategies even if you're starting from zero. Welcome back to Cashcraft Lab, where we turn smart ideas into real income. If you want to make money online in 2026 using AI, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Before we start, here were my rules. I used only AI-powered tools, no paid ads, no prior audience advantage, just skills plus consistency. Each method got real effort, not shortcuts. Now, let's break it down. First up, AI freelancing. I used tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, Pictory. What I did, I offered services on Fiverr and Upwork like blog writing, social media captions, AI image generation, short-form video scripts. Results: first client in 3 days, $420 in 30 days. Why it worked? People don't care how you do the work. They care about results. AI lets you deliver faster and better. Key tip: don't sell AI work. Sell outcomes. More views, more sales, more engagement. Method 2. Faceless YouTube channel. Next, I tested a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Tools used: ChatGPT, scripts, 11 Labs, voice, Pictory, runway, video. Niche: motivational money content. Results: 6 videos uploaded, 12,000 plus views, $78 in AdSense. First 30 days. Not crazy money, but huge potential. Why it works: YouTube is a long-term asset. Videos compound over time. Pro tip: one viral video can outperform months of work elsewhere. Method 3. AI blogging plus affiliate marketing. This one shocked me. I created a simple blog using AI, ChatGPT for articles, Surfer SEO for optimization. Niche: AI tools and productivity. Results: 1,500 monthly visitors, $120 in affiliate commissions. The magic? AI lets you publish fast, but human editing makes it rank. Lesson: don't spam. Add value. Google rewards quality. Method 4. AI digital products. This was the biggest surprise. I created a 25-page AI productivity guide, written and designed using AI, sold it for $19. Results: $1,140 in 30 days. No inventory, no shipping, pure profit. Why this works: digital products scale infinitely. Tip: solve one problem clearly. Don't overcomplicate. Method 5. AI automation. I tested simple AI automation services for businesses, chatbots, auto email replies, content scheduling, charged businesses, $99 a month. Results: 3 clients, else $297 month recurring. This is powerful because predictable income, low maintenance, high value. What failed? Not everything worked. Low-quality AI spam content, dropshipping without branding, copy-paste prompts with zero effort. AI is a tool, not magic. People who fail? They expect money without skill. The best AI method. If I had to pick one, AI plus personal brand plus consistency, that's the formula. People don't buy AI. They buy trust plus clarity plus solutions. Final advice: start small. Stay consistent. Improve every upload. AI rewards action, not perfection. And remember, the best time to start was last year. The second best time is today. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe to Cashcraft Lab for real strategies, no hype. Comment below, which AI method are you trying first? Your future income is one smart move away. See you in the next one.